Black and white designs never go out of style because they focus on clarity and elegance. Open Canva and create a new poster using your preferred dimensions. Select a white, black, or light gray background depending on the mood you want to create. Go to the Elements panel and add simple black or white geometric shapes to structure your layout. Upload your product image and, if appropriate, apply a black and white filter to maintain a consistent theme. Add a bold headline, product details, pricing, and a call to action using clean typography with strong contrast. Use thick and thin text styles to create visual hierarchy while keeping the design uncluttered.